Ever struggled to talk about your day in English and felt like you were missing the right words today? I'll show you how to describe your daily activities naturally and fluently, so you sound just like a native speaker. Don't miss this. Welcome back to English Masters. I'm Pradeep, and today, I'm going to guide you through how to effectively describe your day in English. Whether you're writing in your journal, speaking to friends, or preparing for a conversation practice, these tips will help you sound confident and clear. Morning routine vocabulary. Start by describing your morning routine using simple yet detailed phrases. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. and make my bed. After that, I brush my teeth and take a refreshing shower. Use connecting words like then and after that to create a natural flow. You can add details like I enjoy a cup of coffee while reading the news, or I go for a morning run to energize myself. According to language experts, including sensory details in your descriptions can make your language sound more engaging. For instance, instead of just saying, I had breakfast, try, I had a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with sweet bananas and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This not only improves your vocabulary but also makes your sentences more vivid. Work or study routine. Describing your work or study routine can be simple but impactful. I start work at 9 a.m., where I handle customer emails and attend virtual meetings. In the afternoon, I focus on finishing my main project or assignment for the day. If you're a student, you might say, I attend classes until 3 p.m., followed by a study session in the library. Don't forget to mention any highlights. Today, I had an interesting lecture on history. Evening and relaxation time. When describing your evening, include how you wind down. In the evening, I go to the gym to work out or take a walk in the park. I cook dinner and enjoy it while watching my favorite TV show. To sound more conversational, you could add, I love spending time with my family at dinner. We chat about our day and share a few laughs. Night routine and wrapping up. Finally, your night routine can be described as, before going to bed, I read a book or listen to a podcast to relax. I prepare my things for the next day and try to go to sleep by 10:30 p.m. These simple habits can add more depth to your English practice. An effective tip I found online is to narrate your day as if you're telling a story to a friend. This keeps your tone conversational and helps you practice with natural intonation and expressions. For example, you won't believe what happened today. I tried a new recipe, and it turned out amazing. Conclusion. Describing your day in English doesn't have to be difficult. Use simple sentences, connect your thoughts with transitions, and add sensory details to make your language lively. Practice this daily, and soon, describing your day will feel second nature. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to English Masters, and share your favorite part of your day in the comments below. Want to learn how to think in English and speak fluently? Check out my other videos for more practical tips. Until next time, keep practicing, and keep mastering your English.